Alright, so I know a lot of you probably have children that love meat but almost never eat veggies. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can sneak veggies into meat. I may be Meat Max, but this is also really, really delicious. Also, before you start, you want to make sure you peel anything that you're using that's green, because if something's green, that's a pure giveaway that you snuck something in there. And after you peel everything, you just want to puree it. Alright, so we got a pan here, and we're just going to saute our vegetables with a little bit of avocado oil. So here we're using white and brown mushrooms. We're using baby bellas because of their color. They already look a little bit like meat, so that's really good. So we're also going to add some minced up cauliflower, some onions, zucchini, and a little bit of garlic. Alright, so like I said, these are just veggies. It may not look like it, but this is just pure veggies right here in a bowl. So the veggies are cooked, and now we're just going to add in our meat and incorporate that, and then it'll be really good and delicious. Alright, so here we have our finished meat and veggie mixture. Can you see any veggies? No, your kids won't either. So this is a really good recipe for anything that has to do with ground beef or ground turkey. You can use it with, you can put it in some tomato sauce and some noodles to make some delicious spaghetti. And as you can see here, hidden veggie pasta, that's another way you can get some veggies and fiber into your kids. You can just use it as tacos to make some taco meat, or you can make hamburger helper or something like that you like. Alright, thanks for watching, and remember to watch Meat Max.